Goats are far more adventurous and voracious eaters. They will try to eat almost anything. Including things they shouldn't.
And just become the right person that actually matters. Every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw.
Sheep are much more selective and cautious.
But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah.
By variety, the goat unquestionably eats a wider variety of plants and non-plant materials. The goat will immediately go for the thorny bushes.
I wish that I could cough out
Woody shrubs and tall weeds.
in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. Every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name.
The sheep will focus on finding the patches of grass and will likely avoid the rough brush.
Wish there was a song with your name. The title. Oh yeah.
Which one eats more?
And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder.
It depends on the context.
I wish that I could cough out my emotions in a
By weight,
healthy
a mature
manner.
animal of either species will eat roughly 2 to 4% of its body weight in dry matter per day.
The right person actually matters. Every day I drive my car.
So a 150-pound goat and a 150-pound sheep will eat roughly the same amount of food.
Some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song
Conclusion, while they consume similar volumes for their size,
as the title. Wish there was a song as the title.
goats are the more voracious and less discriminating eaters. Their curiosity drives them to consume a much wider and more surprising range of materials. For better or for worse, sheep are more predictable and specialize in grazing pasture grasses,